Ever wondered how to use a drill machine effectively? Well, this is the perfect place to quench that curiosity. Today, we're delving into the world of power tools, specifically focusing on the drill machine. First things first, safety should always be the priority, so ensure to wear safety glasses and gloves. It's also smart to keep a first aid kit nearby just in case. Now, onto the drill machine. It's a versatile tool designed to make holes in different types of materials. It can also be used for fastening materials together with the help of screws. The first step in operating a drill machine is to understand its parts. The main parts include a handle, a trigger, a chuck, and a drill bit. The handle is where you hold the machine. The trigger is what you push to make the machine work. The chuck is the part that holds the drill bit, and the drill bit is the part that does the actual drilling. To begin, choose the right drill bit for the task at hand. The drill bit should be sharp and the right size for the hole you want to drill. Insert the drill bit into the chuck and tighten it. Some drill machines come with a key to tighten the chuck, while others are keyless and can be tightened by hand. Next, position the drill bit at the spot where you want to make a hole. Hold the handle firmly and press the trigger gently to start drilling. Apply steady pressure, but remember not to force it. Let the machine do the work. While drilling, it's important to keep the drill straight. If the drill bit starts to wobble, stop drilling, reposition the bit and continue. Once done with drilling, release the trigger and wait for the drill bit to stop spinning completely before you set the machine down. Don't forget to unplug the machine when not in use. If you're using a cordless drill, make sure to recharge the battery after use. This will ensure that the drill is ready for use the next time you need it. To summarize, using a drill machine involves understanding its parts, choosing the right drill bit, positioning the drill bit correctly, applying steady pressure while drilling, and practicing good safety habits. It's also important to take care of the machine by unplugging it after use and recharging the battery if it's a cordless drill. With practice and patience, mastering the use of a drill machine can be a breeze. So don't be intimidated. Roll up those sleeves and get to work. Remember, the only way to get better at something is to actually do it. And that's it for today's video. Here's to many successful DIY projects with your drill machine. Until next time, stay safe and keep drilling.